Welcome to listing files and directories. The ls command is one of the most essential commands in Mac and Linux terminals. In this lesson, you'll learn how to list files with detailed information, show hidden files, display human-readable sizes, and sort listings by various criteria. The basic ls command lists files and directories in your current location. Simply type ls and press enter to see the contents. For more detailed information, use ls-l, which shows the long format. This displays permissions, ownership, file size, and modification date. The long format is essential for understanding file properties and permissions on Mac and Linux systems. By default, ls doesn't show hidden files, which start with a dot. Use ls-a to show all files, including hidden ones. Hidden files are often configuration files. For file sizes, ls-l shows bytes, which can be hard to read. Use ls-lh to show human-readable sizes like kilobytes, megabytes, or gigabytes. You can combine flags like ls-la to show all files with human-readable sizes in long format. You can sort listings in various ways. Use ls-t to sort by modification time with newest first. Use ls-s to sort by file size, largest first. To list files recursively through all subdirectories, use ls-r. This shows the directory tree structure. You can combine these options, like ls-lht, to show long format, human-readable sizes sorted by time. These options help you find files quickly on Mac and Linux systems. Excellent work! You now know how to use ls with various options to list files effectively. Practice using these different flags to get comfortable with them. The ls command is fundamental to working efficiently.